Beaver Bite Food Reviews. We got the pumpkin pie blizzard today. Check it out. Whipped cream on top. Alright. They don't flip these over because whipped cream. Let's try this out here. That's amazing. Pumpkin pie. Get some chunks in here of pie crust. Let's see if we can get for that. It's almost Halloween. This is pretty darn good. You can taste the pumpkin in there. The ice cream is nice and creamy. Whipped cream is a nice little thing in there. One more beaver bite on this, and we'll call it a show. There we go. The pumpkin pie blizzard, Dairy Queen, Beaver Bite Food Reviews, 9.7 out of 10. Amazing. We'll talk to you soon.